Okay, another SAT practice question. Here we are given a circle, and then this right here is the center, and we know that the arc ADC, so it means that we are going from ADC, so this portion right here, and it's given to be 5 pi. So let's go ahead and just indicate that this right here is 5 pi. And we also know that x is equal to 100, so this right here is going to be 100 degrees. Good. Now we are trying to find out the arc ABC, so we are going to find out the other portion of the arc of the circle, pretty much. It's like this right here. So how do we do it? Well, we can use ratio and proportion to help us out. Here's the deal. This much angle is 100 degrees already, and if you look at the remaining portion, the whole circle is 260 degrees. This is 100 already, so 360 minus 100, we get 260, and then this is degrees. And now we can set out the ratio. We know this divided by that, so let me put down 100 degrees over 260 degrees. It will be this right here divided by that. And the reason that we can do this is because they are both linear. So that's a technical thing that we are talking about. If you try to set out with like length and area, no. But this right here is okay. Just can trust me for that. Anyway, this length right here is 5 pi over, alright, this length right here, we don't know. I'm just going to write it as arc ABC. And now we just have to solve this equation. That's it. And the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to multiply this on both sides and then multiply the reciprocal on both sides. So we get this right here, which is arc ABC, and that will be equal to 5 pi times, when we multiply the reciprocal, this right here will be on the top. So 260 degrees over 100 degrees. And now we just have to work this out. We can reduce. 5 goes into 5 one time, 5 goes into 100 20 times. And in fact, the degree and degree cancel. And we have 260 divided by 20, so that's just 13. And we still have the pi. So altogether, we have 13 pi. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the answer, and that will be answer choice B. That's it.